There is a secret meeting that happens every single year deep inside the subterranean design labs at Apple headquarters in Cupertino. A meeting where the world's most elite engineers are told to do one thing, and one thing only: build a device so advanced, so incredibly powerful, that it makes every other piece of technology you own look like an ancient relic from a forgotten era. For the past 12 months, the tech industry has been flooded with wild rumors, leaked supply chain blueprints, and frantic speculation about what Apple was cooking up behind those heavily guarded glass doors. Today, the waiting is finally over, and the reality is far more shocking than anyone could have ever predicted. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The tech world has just experienced a massive, irreversible paradigm shift, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a new smartphone. It is a terrifyingly powerful supercomputer disguised as a masterpiece of industrial art, designed to completely redefine how human beings interact with the digital universe. To truly understand the sheer magnitude of what Apple has accomplished with this release, you have to realize that standard smartphones hit a massive, invisible wall a long time ago. For years, the upgrades felt minor, almost predictable. A slightly faster chip here, a marginally brighter screen there, a subtle tweak to the camera lens. It felt like the golden age of smartphone innovation had stalled, leaving consumers wondering if we had reached the absolute peak of mobile technology. But while the rest of the industry was coasting on incremental updates, Apple's engineering team was quietly executing a massive, multi-year covert operation to completely tear down the traditional smartphone architecture and rebuild it from the absolute ground up. They didn't just want to build a better phone, they wanted to create a device that renders the very concept of a laptop, a desktop, and a standalone professional camera completely obsolete. The moment you first pick up the iPhone 18 Pro Max, your hands instantly register a structural sensation that feels entirely foreign yet completely intoxicating. The weight distribution is an absolute masterpiece of mechanical engineering. It feels substantially premium, immensely durable, yet almost impossibly balanced. Apple has utilized a revolutionary, ultra-advanced alloy composition that is structurally stronger than the titanium used in aerospace engineering, yet lighter than anything they have ever put in a phone before. The chassis features a microscopic, chemically etched texture that makes it incredibly resistant to fingerprints and scratches, while providing a tactile grip that feels perfectly secure. Every single edge, every microcurve, and every seamless transition from metal to glass has been refined down to the nanometer. It feels less like a consumer electronics product and more like a precision-crafted instrument engineered for high-level operations. But as mesmerizing as the chassis is, everything else completely fades into non-existence the exact millisecond the display fires up. You are not just looking at a screen. You are staring directly into a breathtaking, hyper-realistic canvas that completely alters your visual perception. Apple's new display architecture delivers an absolute masterclass in visual fidelity. The peak brightness levels are so staggeringly high that even under the blinding, direct glare of midday desert sunlight, the content on your screen remains perfectly crisp, wildly vibrant, and effortlessly readable. The contrast ratios are essentially infinite. The blacks are so incredibly deep and rich that they seem to swallow light entirely, allowing the bright, saturated colors to burst off the glass with a terrifyingly beautiful, almost three-dimensional intensity. What truly takes this visual experience into uncharted territory is the way the display handles motion. The refresh